Hello guys, welcome to Preet Ideas. This is your Preet. Guys, this is a complete tutorial about WoodMart WordPress theme. A lot of people request me to create a complete tutorial about WoodMart. So here is the video. Don't skip this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And we will go through step by step from the beginning, installing the WordPress theme, importing demo content, customizing front page, customizing header, footer, single product page and some plugin. So let's get start this video. Before we start this video, we need to upload our WoodMart theme. We will visit to appearance and themes. We have to upload our WoodMart theme file. As I already upload my WordPress theme file, we have to activate this WoodMart theme. Make sure you have a genuine theme file from Envento Marketplace, and you have to provide zip file for the activation of WoodMart theme. So make sure you have a genuine Envento Marketplace product key in order to activate your WoodMart theme. As I already activated this theme before on my website, so let me go ahead by clicking let's get started. Here you have to activate. As I already activate my license, I have to skip this next step. I have to visit to next step. So here we have WoodMart child theme. Actually, child theme, when you have you are doing any customization or you have any issue with the main file, you can switch to WoodMart child theme, which really help you to maintain your website. I always recommend to install the child theme as well. And we will go to next step, where we will choose our page builder. If you have Elementor, you want to customize your website with Elementor, then you have to choose Elementor here. If you want to go with WP Bakery, for WP Bakery I will create separate video how to customize WoodMart theme with WP Bakery. So that's why you have to subscribe my channel and stay with me. I always create nice complete tutorial about WoodMart, about WordPress themes. So let me choose here Elementor and click next step, where we require some of the plugin. As you can see, we have required Elementor and WoodMart core plugin to activate WoodMart functionality on our WordPress website. Let me click install. Elementor already installed on my WordPress, so I will skip that one. Here I also have to install WooCommerce to activate e-commerce functionality on our website. So let me click install and activate. And we already have contact form 7, and you have option for MailChimp for WordPress. This is a nice newsletter plugin. You can consider this one, and save SVG. Okay, now let's go to next step, but make sure the required plugin you must have these both, otherwise you will not able to visit to next step. Let me click on next step. Here in this step we have a bunch of options for WoodMart theme demo content. We have a WoodMart main file, we have an organic form. If you want to build a gaming website, you have option for the kids, gaming, dark, furniture, food delivery website. Next, my tutorial will be on food delivery website, how we will make food delivery website with WoodMart theme. And we have an event agency developer. So first of all, you have to make sure with your niche, what type of niche website you want to build. If you wanna build e-commerce website, then you have to choose e-commerce demo theme, and later on I will also teach you how to customize it easy way. So let me choose Let me go with WoodMart main. Let me show you first its demo content. We have nice mega menu. If you're deciding go with the e-commerce website, and I think this will be the good choice for you. We have a beautiful home page with blog section or news section and a beautiful header and footer section. Also we have nice banners, best selling, featured, sales. I think this will be the best. So let me go ahead with WoodMart main. I will click import. Now it will start importing our main demo content. We have to wait. I always recommend while you're importing your demo content, never update or refresh your WordPress page. This will stuck your importation process. So we have to wait till we complete this demo installation process. But if you want me to build e-commerce website for your business and any other business niche website, you can reach us via email. Our team will contact you within 24 hours, and we ensure we will create nice beautiful website for your business within a budget. As you can see, we have completed almost to 85%, 90, and we are very near to 100% of installation. As you can see, we have successfully installed our demo content, and let's check out our website. If our website, we got complete demo content on our website. Yeah, as you can see, we have complete demo content on our website. Okay, the next step will be we will check every option WoodMart provide us in the theme setting, and we will go through one by one all of these settings. For that, we will go to WoodMart. Before we visit to the WoodMart and theme setting, we will make sure our permalinks. We will visit to setting and click on permalinks. Make sure your permalinks set to post name and save changes. Okay, now let's go to options WoodMart, and we will check one by one option what functionality we receive, what options we have. Once we understand all the features, that will be easy for us to customize our website itself. Okay, we have a header builder option. Let me click on that. With the header builder option, we will able to customize our header section, and we have here, if we click on WoodMart, the upper section, we have theme setting, where we have a present setting and backup. We can back up our theme file and its a setting. We have a theme license, we have a tool where we have a plugin status. If you want to check status of your website, patchers, actually sometimes the website has some issue or patchers. Time to time WoodMart team fix those, so we can check. But newly fixed patchers we have a header builder, layout, slider, HTML block. I will show you HTML block how to build it, sidebars as well. Okay, pre-build website option, we already checked this, where we have a demo content. If you wanna switch to any other demo, let me show you here. First we have to deactivate or remove content, the first present demo content, then we will move to another demo. If you don't like that one, you want to switch to any other demo, first you have to click on remove content, and you have to remove content by selecting the options here. Okay, let's go to here. We have a plugin, a theme license, plugin, patchers, status, changelog, theme setting. Okay, let's go to theme setting option. In under the theme setting option, we have a theme setting. Let me click on that. Under the theme setting option, we have a complete setting of our website. We wanna set our header, we wanna change our page fonts or colors, we wanna check typography, we wanna change the font of complete website, style and colors, portfolio, shop. Under the shop we have a lot of options. We will go through step by step. Okay, first we will go with the header section. As right now this is our header, we are going to customize our header first. To customize our header, we will go to WoodMart header builder option. Under the header builder option, we have 3 to 5 layouts. We have a default header layout. You can check this one by clicking there. Okay, and right now this header, this is actually header base. As you can see, header base, and they have mentioned here the important icon here. So that means right now header base is activated. How to check, how to replace one of these? We will go to theme settings and general. Under the general, as you can see here, header option, where we have choose header base. So this is our header base home header. Okay, if we select any other, let me go with the header base overlap dark, and I will save changes, and you will see our header will be changed. First you can try these all headers. If one of these you like, you can go with editing that particular demo. As you can see, we have changed our header section. Okay, let me delete all those. Okay, now let me choose any other default header layout, save setting. Right now here, now I will show you our header. So this is our default one. So I think here I will go with the header base. These all are actually the name of the header, but you also can build your own header. I will also show you. Okay, we will go with header base, and we will edit header base particular header. Okay, if I refresh now, and you will see header base looks very nice. We have search bar, my account. So what we will do, we will here go to WoodMart theme builder again, and we will see all the headers we have here. So we will go with header base to edit this one. We have option to edit. Click on edit. If you want to watch complete video on header, you can check out my WoodMart playlist. I have specially created one playlist for WoodMart lovers. You can check all the video under that particular playlist, but still I will go with header base. Click edit. Okay, so as you can see, we have top bar, main header, header bottom, top bar. Here, this one, we have English, country, add anything, something. This is the text. We have social media icons here, social media links, divider, menu, divider. Okay, all these are right side. Okay, this is the top bar. So first we will start customizing our top bar. First you have to decide what you want to display in the top bar. Okay, you can remove any content, just bring your mouse there and click this small remove button. If you don't want to show this text, this is under text and HTML. As you can see right now, we are on top bar. Here it is. I want to remove that text. I will bring my mouse there and click remove. Okay. Now if I save, now you will see our this text, add anything here or just remove it, will be removed. As you can see here, we have removed that one. Then you have to remove one by one if you don't want. For example, you don't want country, show country, then you have to go to this one, divider. Let me click edit. Okay, menu, we have a menu. Okay, English. Let me click on menu, top bar left, style. Let me check this one, divider, full style. Okay, you can delete all this if you want, one by one. Okay, because if you want to only display the right side some stuff here, you wanna only show the pages like contact us, some pages here, then what we will do, we will click on this add element, click on that, and you will see a lot of options we have. We will click on menu, secondary menu, and we will choose our menu you wanna display in the top bar. So let me go with top navigation. Save. Let me save again. Okay, so I will check what menu section we have in the top bar now. Okay, wrong menu selected, so that means we have select wrong menu, so we have to make it fix. Go to menu, let me delete divider, go to menu, again edit, let me select secondary menu to change the menu. Later on we will customize our particular menu. Okay, or you can create your own menu first before you go customizing. To customize your menus, we have to go to appearance and menu. So let's check out our top bar menu. These are pre-created with the demo content. Okay, we can customize them. So let me select top navigation. What is the issue here? Yeah, because there is no content, that's why it's showing wrong menu selected. So let me put some of the content like contact us, about us, add to menu, and I will save menu. I will go back to the WoodMart header builder. Make sure you save this option before you go further. Let me go to WoodMart header builder and now edit header base. Okay, now go to top bar menu. You will see small pencil icon added. Let me select top navigation again, because we customize just to add some pages to top navigation. Okay, click save, save header. Okay, now let's check out our website. Now you can see we have top bar pages in the top bar. So here you want to add more pages, go back to appearance, menu, and here make sure you select top navigation because we are customizing top navigation, right? Top navigation, select, and here you want to add more pages. This is the page section. Click view all and you will see all the pages. Select one by one you want to add and click add to menu. These will be added downside here. Okay, save changes. That's all your work. Okay, let's go to back to header builder. Okay, now in the between element we not have any stuff here. Okay, this is blank, so we will keep it blank. So right side we have a social media icon. These are okay. If you wanna delete any of this stuff, you can just remove. Okay, click edit social media icon. You wanna button type share or follow. you can choose. Go to style, you can choose the style of a button. You wanna go with the blue one and the square. You wanna go with small button or large, you can choose. If you wanna go with the dark one, color dark, click save changes, save header. Now let's check out. As you can see, we have a beautiful dark social media icon, but we will make it smaller. Style, yeah, we have a smaller. We already selected smaller. Make sure we choose this round shape. Here we will choose the smaller one. Save header. Okay, this way you can customize your sections header. Then we have again the menu section right side. You can remove this one. You can display one side all the pages, I recommend. So let me remove this side, the menu, divider. So I only keep social media icons, save header. I will keep my header very light. As you can see, we will have only social media icons here. Okay, which looks good. So one side we will keep only pages. Now we have a middle here. We have a search, my account. Okay, if you want to keep same, but definitely we want to change our logo, right? So only we will change our logo in the main header section. Click edit, upload our logo. Make sure you have ready your logo. Once you let me pick any logo, for example. Okay, let me save header. Okay, let me go to edit header, and so I will show you what other option we have here. If you wanna keep this sticky header, if you wanna upload a logo for the sticky header, if I scroll down my website and scroll up, you will see again the logo. This is called sticky logo. If you wanna scroll here, logo, different logo or same logo, you can upload the same logo as well here. Okay, once you upload your logo, save changes, that's your work. Save header. So you will see our new logo will be there like that. Okay, because I wanna keep my account is already good. Cart buttons is already good. Some of the browse category we will customize it. Okay, and the mega menus we will go through step by step. Here special offer purchase theme, I wanna remove these because I already purchased my theme. So let me remove all these right side. So this will be under here, bottom. This is the bottom section. Let me remove this one and save changes. Let's check. Let me check out. Yeah, we have removed this section. Okay, now our header looks good. Okay, so if you want to watch in detail, you click link in here downside description for the header. You will get video more in detail. So we will not make this video more longer, but we still do our best to cover every topic here. Okay, now let's start customizing our front page. Okay, before we start customizing our front page, I wanna go here, theme setting. So you will have an idea about what settings we have in WoodMart. Okay, so first, layout option. We have already choose header base. Okay, we already select. Site width is full width. Our website is full width right now. If you wanna make it boxed, okay, boxed, and save changes, your website will be open in a box layout. Let me refresh here, like that. This is the box. Here you can see my mouse boxed. I always go with the full width. Okay, and sidebar position we have selected here, right side. Let me go for any pages about us. Okay, here. Okay, so later I will show you about sidebar. Let's skip this one. This is for the sidebar. We will customize even our sidebar, how to make our sidebar. Save changes. Let's go to header banner. Header banner we have already disabled. If I enable, what's the link? So if I have to provide header banner. Actually header banner, I think you can display some of the nice words here like free shipping. Let me try this one. Free shipping over free shipping USA. Okay, let me just only simple save option. Let me check if we have any changes in the home page. Yes, we have here another pop-up is banner, like a banner pop-up, but I wanna make it dark color. Style, choose little gray. Okay, or dark, choose dark. You have to also provide close button, so they will able to close here upper side, this one. Okay, okay, let me save changes. Now I will show you. That will look very beautiful. Let me refresh again. Okay, let me check. You also can display HTML block. Okay, because we have already closed that one, because that only show for the one time, single time. Okay, but you can check by visiting there. Okay, if you want to enable the banner, just here upper side you can enable this one, or otherwise you can disable this option. Okay, let's go to next promo pop-up. As you will see here on our website, there is no pop-up right now, but you can display the pop-up here like any sale. If you have any sale on your store, so you can use that pop-up. Pop-up is enabled right now, and under the pop-up we have selected HTML block, because we might design promo pop-up in the HTML builder. So I will also show you how to create HTML blocks. You can directly click here, edit this block with page builder. Okay, you also can see the background image of pop-up. So let me click here, edit this block with page editor. This option, click on that. Another window will be open with Elementor, where you can customize your pop-up. As you can see, we not have any select form. Actually this is connected to MailChimp. Okay, the MailChimp form will be open pop-up. Okay, but you have other option to go with the text. You can provide nice text here. Sale, sale, sale. Okay, save changes. Okay, that's all my work. If I go to front page or refresh here, you will see the pop-up. Let me scroll to down little bit, so we will see our pop-up. Sometime it may take time. Let me check what is the time here to show pop-up. Cover, center, dark, pop-up, width, pop-up. After some time we have select after some time pop-up, but I wanna user scroll. So if I scroll, if my user someone visit on my website, if they scroll little bit, they see immediately the pop-up. Okay, then we have to select user scroll here. If you want sometime after some time, like 2000 millisecond, okay, then you can go with, you can change your pop-up time with the milliseconds. After how many milliseconds you want to see it. After maybe 20 seconds you will see our pop-up will be there. Let me select with scroll, user scroll. You even can display which page person visit, then they see pop-up. Okay, example, if my visitor going to visit portfolio page or about us, example about us page, if they visit particular about us page, then they will see that pop-up. Or you can create for example sale page, ongoing sale. They will click on sale, and along with the page they will see also one pop-up sale. Okay, you can do like that. Then you have to select here show after number of pages you visit, or you can even select the pages here after how many pages. Okay, you can hide on mobile devices if you want. If you don't wanna show on mobile device, you have to hide them. Click yes. If I save option and save my front page here, refresh my front page. Okay, and you will see if I scroll down you will see pop-up. It should be there. Let me go to home page. Just scroll little bit. We have to reduce the time. Light. Okay, maybe there is an issue, that's why it's not showing. We will check it later. We will also design the pop-up, don't worry. Okay, let's go to next setting, age verify pop-up. If you want to enable age verify, if you have 18 plus content, then you can use it, otherwise you don't need it. Cookies law info, because nowadays there are some policies. You have to mention we use cookies on our website, you want to display this message, then you have to enable this option. If I enable this option save changes, let me show you what effect on our front page. Okay, if I scroll down, and you will see here now new pop-up under here downside. We use cookies to improve, they have to accept it. Okay, this is actually the policy, I think. Cookies law we call it. Mobile bottom navbar. If I open my website into edit with Elementor, and if I choose mobile layout, edit with Elementor, let me choose mobile layout. Okay, sticky navbar, yeah, sticky. If I scroll, okay, this is the sticky navbar. We have menu category. Okay, here it is. You can customize this one. We have a shop page, off Canva, Wishlicker, my account. Let me scroll down. Yeah, here it is. Downside, sorry for that. Downside, you will see my mouse, shop, wishlist, cart, my account, like app. Okay, all these options are showing. If you want to customize all these tabs, downside, you have an option here to disable any option or enable. If you want to add custom button there, downside, like contact us, you can also, you have to provide button URL or visit or contact us, then you have to provide the particular URL. Okay, these all setting for the mobile bottom navbar. The name is itself bottom navbar. It is. Okay, let's go to search option. Search product, search by product SKU, or you can use relevancy for Ajax search, which I think the good option. Ajax search example. we have uppers here, search option. If I start typing from the letter S or any product, it will immediately start discovering the product and pop up immediately, right? Which is, I think, nice option. Search product by SKU. You can use relevancy. Full screen search. If you want a full screen search, you can display here popular request. If you want people to search this topic, like they will see here downside when they start search, only click with the mouse within the box, they will see popular search option, popular search this product, this product, this product. Okay, like watches. Downside we have sports. Okay, two option. Okay, if I save changes. Okay, now if I go to just to refresh my front page here. Okay, I just click with the mouse. Or just click within the box. It should be enabled. Maybe it take time. Disable display result from blog. Yeah, we not want to display result, because if we have an e-commerce website, we only want to show product search, right? Show quick button under the search popular review. Separate, sorry for separate with new line. Okay, so quick button under the search form. Yeah, we not have any quick button under the form. Okay, but let me check. Yeah, right now not. Later on we will check this one. Full screen search extra content. You can select from the different HTML blocks. So for example, if they will click or start searching, they will see a big box complete. Okay, right now they only have to search and they will see pop up downside like that. But if we enable the full screen search, they will see full screen search. Then you have to provide search button somewhere and they will click, they will see complete page, search page. Okay, separate page. Then you have to use HTML block for that. Okay, then you have to select here. Okay, Ajax full screen. Okay, you can enable this one if you want to enable full screen. Okay, let's go to sticky navigation. If I scroll down or scroll up, this is the navigation, sticky, as a sticky logo, sticky navigation. If you wanna keep same, you can keep same, or even you can select the sticky header as well. Okay, if you want, then you can name it menu or sticky menu. You have option. Let's go to page title. Okay, so next we have a page title. Page title here we have select centered. We have default one. Let me open any page just to show you about us page. Okay, let me click on about us page. Let me click other, contact us, portfolio, to just show you. Okay, you can see here the portfolio page has this banner and it's in center, right? Okay, so you want it to center or left side default, or you wanna disable. So here this banner will be disabled and your page will be started directly from here. If I select disable and save changes, and I will show you after that the changes we have. Let me save changes, because all these options we have to go through one by one, so you understand every what option in WoodMart we have. If I refresh now, and you will see our this banner gone. As you can see, it's gone now. If you want that banner, you will able to customize it. Okay, you can make it small or larger. You have option, and you have also option to change the background of that particular banner in Pages. You can set background image. Right now, if I refresh now again, and you will see background image here is this one. You can change this image, so this will show in the all pages you create. You have option to remove this one if you wanna keep simple colorful background. Okay, color, text color for page, it's light, keep on light so it will be visible here. Then we have a SEO, title tag, keep it default, or you can set it to H1 tag. Okay, because the title tag always we keep H1 or H2. Okay, you can keep it default as well if you want. We have a setting for used background for shop or page if you use used SEO plugin. But if you want to go with the rank math SEO, you can check out my videos. I create that video for rank math complete tutorial that will really help you in SEO for your WoodMart theme. Okay, the setting process will be same even you use any theme. Okay, let's go to footer section. In the footer section we have selected 5 column. Let me show you my footer here. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 columns. Then first you have to decide how many columns you required in the footer section. You want to display the links, categories, and recent post or product here, or this logo and your about your website information. First decide, then select 4 column, 5 column, 6 column, up to 6 column. You can choose 6 or 7, I think. Okay, you can just to select and scroll down. Footer style, footer background. Footer background is white right now, but you can make footer background colorful if you want, or you can set the image in the background, footer background. Footer text color should be dark. If your background is white, then keep your color in dark. If your background you set here dark color, then click on light, so that will be visible. If you wanna sticky footer, you wanna stick your footer here, even someone going to scroll the page, your footer will be still there. Enable the sticky footers option. Okay, and save changes. That's all. Let's go to copyright. We have here under the footer section we have copyright. You can change your copyright from the option in footer. Here in the footer, under footer copyrights. Okay, just to change this copyright text. Okay, you wanna keep it 2 column or centered. Okay, you wanna keep it center, or you wanna keep 2 column. One we have here the payment icons, one we have here. Okay, you can select this one. Text next to the copyrights. As I can show, if you wanna keep these icons, then you don't need to delete this one downside. Okay, keep it and save changes. That's all. Let's go to pre-footer. Pre-footer section, always we call it here the brands we above the right above the footer. Pre-footer we call it. In the pre-footer, I'm pretty sure we have here the brands. Okay, then you have to edit the HTML block, pre-footer HTML block. Okay, actually HTML block, how it works, I can give you example. If you're building any house, you need blocks, right? So in the home page, 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, how many blocks we have? So we add the blocks to make complete the wall, right? We need blocks to make the house. We need blocks to make it complete the wall, right? So this is how it work. This work like a wall blocks. Okay, this is our home page. If I add it with Elementor, and you will see here in the front page we have a different sections in the front page. All those are blocks. I will show you this later on. For example, this is a block. We will able to edit this one under HTML blocks. Click HTML block all items, and you can see we have all the blocks here which we can edit with Elementor. Contact us info box block, pre-footer. I'm going to show you pre-footer. We just check this setting here, pre-footer, this one. Okay, here this one, I think pre-build layouts, I think. No, let's check this out. Pre-footer, we have to find pre-footer here. Here it is, pre-footer, edit with Elementor. Let's check out what we have in pre-footer. Then you can change your pre-footer. Yeah, we have brands, I was correct. Okay, then you can just delete this one or click on Xmos template. You can, if you want free template or some other template, you can select any template or select from the option banners if you want banners, okay, above the footer. Then simply you have to select from the hero section. If you want newsletter, then you have to find newsletter. Okay, info box. Okay, for example, you want to show the info box. Okay, let me go with the call to action. Okay, call to action, we wanna display here call to action. I will click on insert. Okay, this will process to insert that particular section here, and upper side we can delete that one. Okay, now this will be our pre-footer. Now I will just only publish this one. Okay, if I refresh my website now, and you will see pre-footer will be changed. Okay, this may take some time. That will be changed. Okay, it take time. We just have to import. If you want to add it manually, you can do so with Elementor. Okay, so let me go back. So all these are HTML blocks. For the HTML block, I have a separate video for WoodMart HTML, but you can check that. I explain very well in that particular video about HTML blocks. Even we create HTML blocks in that video. You can check other HTML blocks video. Okay, let's go to our setting again. So we will go through step by step. Okay, we are on footer. Yeah, we have done footer, and let's go to typography, where we can change our text font. You wanna change text font on your website, you can use this option by selecting what font you want on your website. Okay, the important thing here, do not change this 14 pixel. Okay, I will recommend for the mobile units or desktop, minimum we keep 16 or 17 pixel. Okay, title font, we have entire name font, secondary font. You can even header font, you can change even the header font. You want to change the header font, you have a lot of option to change the fonts for every section. You just have to select the font, and this one normal 400 or bold 700, you can try this one to make it bold. Okay, then we have advanced setting for typography. Okay, in advanced option you can add rules for the fonts as well. You can also provide custom font. Okay, then you have to upload the WoW font file here. If you like any font anywhere, just you have to upload that font and name the font. Icon fonts, you can select icon font. If you wanna go with icon number 2, you like that one, you can go with number 2 font, or icon font, you can go with number 3. Okay, you can use also Adobe font. You have to provide project ID and Adobe font base. Let's go to style and colors, where we can change color. If you wanna make your website to the dark theme, you have to enable this one. in the styles, your website will be dark. Let me try this one. I will select dark. Let's check this out if this really works. If I refresh, yeah, it's dark. The main menu dark and the rest other section are dark, which is I think good, more visible. If you want to go with the dark one, you can keep upper banner white, other dark. Okay, you can also make this dark as well. Downside, you have a dark section. You can try all these things. Okay, let me click off dark. Then we have next option in the styles and colors, color option, where you can change the primary color. If you see now, everywhere we have a green color on the website. Okay, here green color, button green color, other green color. This is primary, but you can change your primary color on your website and secondary color as well. Let me show you where is the secondary color. Okay, yeah, secondary color, you can change secondary color as well. Link color, keep it dark. We always keep dark the link color. Okay, the link color dark. Okay, let's go to next pages background. If you want to set any pages background, let me open portfolio page. In portfolio page you will see we only have banner background, okay, which we already learned how to disable this one. And rest of the page you want to set the background here. You can see my mouse. This area you have to provide background image or color. Same in the product archive or single product background. If I open any product, let me click any product here. Okay, please, if you are enjoying my video, hit the subscribe button and please share with your friends. That will really helpful for me. As you can see, the product page we have simple color white. If I enable here single product background, if I little or red, I save changes here, and our single product that will be only show in the single product page. Okay, you can see. If you want like a dark, you can make it black or as you want. Okay, if what type of background you want. If you want to go with the default one, again click this refresh nearby the color here. This will be refresh again. Same here, downside for the blog archive background, that will be applicable for the blog. Same in the portfolio, you can change colors. Next we have a buttons. One thing I really like here, we have option for the 3D button. I really love it. Right now you will see, if I go to my desktop, you will see all the buttons are square. We have square buttons. Yeah, here square button. Let's try 3D button and simply save changes. You can make your buttons 3D. That will look very nice. 3D visual, 3D, I really love it even. Okay, you can make it 3D button or rounded. Then you have to choose the font. You can choose font for the button. This is especially for the buttons. Okay, default button background, you can choose the default background for the buttons. Here we have green background, and you wanna go with a dark button or light one. If you have a background dark, click on light here, downside. A 3D button, we have 3D button. As you can see in the 3D button, we have choose the green color here, green color. Okay, if you want to make it like a red button and hover the hover, if I hover here, you wanna keep it the green, and the main color here red. Let me save changes. Let me show you with the example. I have choose here accent color, accent buttons color background is red. Let me refresh. Let's check out if we have button red button. Okay, let me click on any other page. Okay, that's not working for now. Maybe that takes some time. Okay, this is only for the buttons. Okay, click on form. In the form, if I go to any form, contact us, let me click on contact us, and you will see the form here. Okay, form border width, color, form color. You can make changes to the form itself. Form style. Okay, notices. If you want to enable any notices on your website, success notice background. For example, if if your visitor, if your customer successfully order, and they will see your order has been placed successfully, they will see in the green color. I think better you can consider this main color. You can change in the main colors, primary color. If you have a brand, other colors like red, make one color primary color. Okay, then it will be applicable everywhere. For the warning, you can set red color in the warning. This is optional, guys. We have a carousel. Okay, you can see here carousel. This is the icon here. If I click, and you can change the arrow type. Okay, style 1, hover style. You can change even color of this icon, small icon. Okay, let's go to blog section. In the blog section, we have a right sidebar with column. Let me click on blog. Let me click any blog, and you will see we have a here sidebar. This is the setting for the blog here. Blog sidebar, medium size, small size, or if you don't want sidebar here, you want a complete post, you have to select one column. That will not show this sidebar here. Okay, you have a justified gallery. This option will replace standard WordPress gallery to justified gallery. If you wanna display gallery images here, for example, you have a blog, or you have display here any product blog, you need to display the gallery of product, right? Multiple gallery or multiple images. You can justify, you can enable this option and save changes. Same here in the single post. In the single post, you can set the single post design default or large image. Okay, as now we have large image. If I click on large image, that will be complete bigger image here for the blog. Custom single post header. Even you can choose your choice header here. If you open any blog, they will see different header here. Okay, you wanna enable share button. If I scroll down to the bottom, we have here share button. Okay, post navigation. This is the post navigation downside. We have a author bio. It's all these things are enabled. Author bio and related post. Okay, we have a related post here. Okay, then we have author bio here. Okay, you can enable or disable all these things in the blog. Same here in the portfolio. If you want to enable portfolio, portfolio actually optional. If you on your website, if you not required portfolio, you can simply disable portfolio option. Okay, if you want portfolio like digital marketing or web design service or agencies, they display their work, how they work, they create portfolios, right? Then you need to activate this one. If you have a shop, I don't think so you need this option. You can set your portfolio page. Okay, then we have a shop option, which is very important. Action after add to cart, display visit. Okay, if I go to my home page, if I click on add to cart, let's check out what happened. Okay, if I click on add to cart, as you can see, our button is now red. Earlier, as I explained you, it take time, right? It's now red, but if we hover, it will be green. Okay, if I click add to cart, as you can see here, the pop-up. Okay, if you wanna display visit, you wanna show pop-up, that will be pop-up between here, little pop-up. Or you wanna no action, and if when you click on add to cart, that will be direct add to cart here. Okay, but now if I click on add to cart, right side we have opened this window, which is very nice. I think you have to keep this one. Hide visit automatically. Yeah, it will be hidden after some time. You can set time. Okay, SKU, you can show SKU here, SKU, but option you wanna display here in the visit, that all option are here. Catalog mode, enable catalog mode, that will show catalog mode. Enable size guide, hide add to cart and price, this one, add to cart and price. Okay, okay, actually this is you can restrict shopping function only for login user. If they, for example, some of the wholesale website, they don't want to display their prices before, person have to log in order to see the prices of the products, then you can enable this option, login to see add to cart and price option. They will not see add to cart and these price option until they log in on your website. So I hope you understand this option. Frequently buy together, if they buy any product, let me go to view cart. Okay, in the view cart, okay, I have to set up. Okay, let me check out, and they will see downside, frequently buy together. You can add how many product you wanna display there, because right now it's not working. We have to set up WooCommerce first, right? So later on I will also show you how to set all these things. Okay, we can skip the shop section because it's related to WooCommerce, right? So this is good. If I set up first WooCommerce, then we will go all these things. Okay, per product archive is very same. Okay, if I click on shop, this is the product archive here. Okay, for example, some people create here all product, all shop, right? They will see all the product of your website, and what things you want to display here. Filter by price, filter by color, you have choices here. Okay, products grade, you want a products grade or list. Yeah, this is the grade, three product. Okay, you can choose 4 product. You want to go with the list. Okay, your product will be shown in the list up to down. Space between product 20 pixel. Number of column selector here, number of column selector here, it is 9, 12, 18, 24. Okay, Mansuri grid. If I enable this one, you will see product have different heights. That will show in different height, but we want to show all the product in similar heights. Okay, so we don't need to enable this one because we don't want our product show in different sizes, right? Product per page. How many product we have here in the shop page? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Yeah, you can increase this number here. You wanna display 20 product, 30 products, you can display any number of product. Product per page link. Yeah, here it is. As I show you, we have a number here. 12 product, 18 product. They will able to select. If they wanna see 24 product in the single page, they have option to select 24. Okay, you can set here by comma 36 48 like that, so they will able to see that particular number of product. Product pagination or load more button, that will be downside. They will have to click here, view more products. Okay, you can set load more button or infinite scroll. So infinite scroll meaning if they scroll down, they will automatic see the process and see more product downside. Let me show you this one. Save changes. Let me show you if that going to work. Okay, let me refresh my product page. Okay, now if I scroll down, yeah, because it sometime it take time to take effects, right? Same earlier with the link with the button, right? Okay, so this will be work like visible more product automatically downside with the process, the loading button you see sometimes, that we call infinite scroll. Keep the number of keep the page number in the URL. In what product page you are, they will see in the product in the address bar. Like if they visit to the number second page, third page, they will see the third page in the address bar. You can disable this one if you want. Okay, let me try again to refresh. Let me go with 9. Yeah, okay, yes, it's working. You can see here load more product. It will automatic load more product. If I refresh now, if I scroll down, as you can see, it start loading. Okay, if I let me show you again. If I refresh now, if you see, let us slowly, I will scroll down, you will see one loading button. Let me select default sorting shop. Okay, here. Okay, if I scroll down, you will see here it is loading. That called infinite scroll. You can enable or disable. Product style. Product style. What style? If I hover here, what style you want in the product? This is for the shop page. Okay, because we are in the option product archive. What option we want to display? Number 1, we have full info on image. Number 2, we have icon and add to cart on hover. Right now we have selected here show summary on the hover. Summary is meaning here this one, the small description. But you can change this one. If you want to display all information there, then you have to select number 1 option. You can check out other, like you want to go with number 3, and they will see icons, add to cart, search, wish list icon upon the hover. If they hover, they will see those icons here, add to cart. But you can go with this one if you like. You don't need to change that one. But let me show you still. Okay, right now if I hover, you can see we have a small description, price, small description, add to cart downside. If I change this one to here, if I save changes, you can make it dark also, which I think I will love that. If I refresh later on, I will hover my mouse to the product. I will show you. Okay, let me hover. As you can see, we have different: add to cart, quick view, compare, and add to wish list. Small. On the hover, this is the small pop-up. But right now we don't have description or add to cart button, but they can click here, add to cart button. The style just a change. Okay, this will be under product archive, product styles. Then we have a category style. How you want to display your category. If I go to home page, and you will see the feature category is look like this: clock, home and garden. The fashion has one big image. This is I think 5. Let me, yeah, default one. Okay, if you wanna go with this one, I think the number 4, replace title. If I save changes, let's check out if what changes we have. If I refresh on the front page, let's check out. Yeah, we change here. As you can see, we have a big fashion, the buttons on it. Category, feature category. Yeah, this is category display on the home page. You can change it any style. You can go with number 2, number 3. You can try by clicking one by one which one you like. You can keep that one. Okay, don't change this category rounding, but if you want go with 5, that will show 5 categories here. Okay, then we have hide product count on the category. You can hide how many product this category has. One product is showing now in the clock category, one product. That will be hide if you hide here. Okay, they will only see hover, only hover. The image is not showing because in category we have to put some images in the category. I will show you later on how. And save changes. Okay, let's go to shop filter. Shop filter, let me scroll down further to check where is the shop filter. Yeah, here it is, I think. Let me check. Enable shop filter wizard in above the products. Yeah, this will be display here above the product. Because I don't think so this is a good idea to display filter on the home page, because we want to only display some products on the home page. Because if they click any product, if they go to shop page, they already have the filter option right here. This option, this filter, if you wanna provide in the home page, I don't think so that makes sense, because filter we always keep in shop page, right? You can check what options we have in the filter. We have shop filter content type, shop filter column on desktop, 1, 2, 3 column. Each column, one column we have a color, size, brand. They can choose. Okay, you can adjust that one if you enable this option. Hide sort by. You wanna hide sort by. Sort by is here. Default sorting. Sort by popularity. You wanna disable, you have to hide it from here. Hide price filter. The price filter is here. Filter by price. If you enable that one, then you have to make these settings. You also can, by clicking here, small tablet or phone, you can do settings same time for the phones. In the home page, in the phone, mobile phone, how many column you want? Only 2 or 1? Okay, you have to make setting for the mobile phone as well. Okay, let's go to widget option. Okay, so next we have page title. This actually page title in the shop page, this one. If we click on shop page, we have a shop banner. We have some category downside. If you want to disable these categories and you want to only keep the shop, you can go to this option, product archive page title. Then you have to disable categories in page title. Simply disable. But if you want to keep it enabled, show current category or show product count each category, you can adjust these settings. Hide empty category, only show category which has product. You can set condition for these. Okay, exclude category. You can also exclude category which category you don't want to show here. And mobile layout, mobile category layout. If you disable this one, just to disable from here. Shop title, you can keep it enabled. But if you want disable all these things, also the title, just to disable shop title also. Let's go to sidebar option. This is the sidebar actually for the filter here in the shop page. The sidebar, the filter is left side now. But if you want product here, the right side, the filter button, then you have to choose the right side here. 2 column. This one. Okay, you can keep 1 column if you don't want sidebar. Okay, you have choice. You can sidebar size, you can make it smaller size. The sidebar filter will be smaller. Your product will be more longer here, bigger. Off canvas sidebar for desktop, sticky off canvas for sidebar button. You can off or enable. You can hide the sidebar from page and show it nicely with the bottom click. Okay, off canvas means they have you will see the sidebar filter option. They have to click to get all the options, filter options. Okay, you can use off canvas. Same for the mobile. Click on this small mobile icon. You can set for the mobile icon off canvas. Actually we use it on the mobile phone. As you can see in mobile phone, it's enable. Okay, let's go to single product option, which is more important. Let's click on any single product here. In the single product, what option you want? Disable, you wanna change this title. Actually for the single product page, I have already created other video. You can check link in description. Single page product customization, a lot more WoodMart theme videos you will find there. So if you are looking in detail about particular topic like single page or header, footer, you will find all the videos there. But still I will go through one by one. In the single product page, we have only single column. We don't have any sidebar. Actually in the product page, we don't keep any sidebar. But if you still want display the sidebar here, you can display. You have option. Sidebar size, if you select a single column, 1 column, you don't need, it will not affect. It only affect if you choose number 2 column, number 3 column. In the layout you will see medium layout, or you can make it bigger layout for the image here. This one, this is the medium layout. If you choose bigger, your image will be more bigger in the product page, single product page. But if you want it full width, your image complete will be upper and title will be downside. Let me show you changes. Let me click this one, container, full width container. If I save changes, now I will refresh the single page and you will see the changes. As you can see, we have a bigger image, downside we have a title. if you like this one. Okay, you can try use other large, medium. I will recommend with medium. Medium, actually they have option to enlarge the image, to zoom, right? So you can go with medium one. Product page design, if you want a centered, if you want a default one, I will recommend default one here. Okay, so downside we have option sticky product. If you turn this on, this option, the section with the description will be sticky when you scroll the page. Example, what they are saying, let me explain you here. Let me refresh page and you will see this description. Okay, even you scroll the page, you will see description will be still showing. Let me show you sticky product. Okay, let me save option. If I scroll down the product page, single product page, you will see this description will be still showing even you scroll down the page. Okay, let me scroll down. That's not working now, but that will be sticky in one place. Okay, so you understand. Add shadow to product summary block. Yeah, this one. If you wanna make little shadow here, looks very nice in this box, summary box. This is we call summary box. You can add shadow. Okay, if you wanna stretch the single product page content, like full width, you wanna complete full width page, you can set that one. That will be complete up to end. As you can see, we just created earlier the pre-footer. We changed that one. It's now showing here because sometime the effect are late, but we can change this one later on. We can make it we can add here newsletter, which looks good, so they will subscribe for every latest product. You can display something like that. Okay, custom single product header. Right now we have default header in the product page, but if you want any special header for the product pages, you can set that one. Right now you have a default one, but I will recommend keep it default one. So they have option also for the my account or some other features. They will see all the category, a lot of option we have already, right? You design one single header. For the header customization, you can check in the starting this video, or you can special check for header video of WoodMart theme in my channel. Okay, so you can, once you design your home page, just keep that one. I will recommend. Builder, select review product for the builder, so we not use this service. Okay, save changes. That's all the important for the single product. Then we have option in the single product gallery. How you wanna display your gallery? One bigger image, then left side we have a 3 thumbnail, like that. Okay, if you wanna change that one, if you wanna this image bigger will be up and thumbnail show downside, you can change the style. If you wanna make 4 image equally grid, like 4 image, let me select 4 image. Then you can set gallery gap. I will recommend 3 or 4 pixel. You can choose the style of the gallery. This is especially for the gallery. Okay, you can even set for the mobile unit. If I open my, let me open my theme to make it mobile friendly. Okay, this one. Okay, this is now mobile unit. In the mobile unit, you can see we have a bigger image, downside 3 image. If we select here mobile, okay, select first mobile icon here, then you can select gallery, other gallery, and check the gap. 3 column on mobile, like 3 column. Okay, you can adjust for the mobile unit as well. Make sure you back click to desktop if you're doing setting for the desktop. Main image, you want a main image zoom like that. It will be zoom when they scroll the mouse. Let me show you. Yeah, here it's now dancing dancing image. Okay, I love it. The monkey is dancing. You can keep this one if you like. You have option for photo swipe pop-up. Actually that you have to click here, that will you will able to then swipe each image. Photo swipe pop-up. Show click to enlarge icon, which is nice option. They have here little icon downside, click to enlarge, which is very nice option. I will recommend keep it enabled because sometimes people they want to check the complete bigger image, they will have option. Even they can scroll down the thumbnail. Okay, main carousel auto height, just disable this one. I will not recommend. Main carousel with video, if you wanna disable video in the content, if the product has video, that will be set to the main image video. I mean the video will be play first here in the bigger image. Okay, image caption for photo, I will not recommend all these both. Save changes. Let's check out next option, add to cart. Okay, you can do setting for your add to cart button. You can even change before add to cart button what you want to display. After add to cart button you can change the text. Sticky add to cart. Add to cart section will be displayed at bottom of your screen when you scroll down the page. Okay, for example, if I scroll down this page, right now add to cart is stick one place. If I scroll down, that will be somewhere here, that will be sticky here, add to cart, even you scroll the page. And then we have option buy now. Buy now, actually buy now button is only on checkout page, but you want to add buy now button in the add to cart, that will add the product to the cart and redirect to the cart and checkout. Okay, example, you can buy now, you can set it will add it here, so it will skip the cart and directly go to the checkout payment option. You can enable this one, buy now button. Let's go to elements. Before header, this is something, this one, the breadcrumb, and this one, they can back to product, next product, pagination, product page, navigation. Okay, this small icon, if they click next product will be open. You can keep it enable or disable. You can disable it here in the elements option. Downside, we have a short description, this one. If you wanna display short description in the product, show attribute table after short description, like they will see here if the product has color or small sizes like large, they will see here to select the sizes. But I will recommend to enable this option, which is very nice. Always we display under here short description, they have option to select the large or medium size. Okay, and stock status design, you can choose the design for the stock status. Okay, this one here, like 30 item left or 20 item left, something like that. Stock progress bar. Okay, it will show the progress, how many units left of particular product. You can enable this one if you want. Countdown timer, I really love this option. If you enable this one, this will be show like we have ongoing sale only 30 minutes left, 20 minutes left, hurry up, something like that. You can add that option, countdown timer. Enable this one, save changes. Let me show you the changes here. I have done some setting. Let me refresh my page. Okay, as you can see, now we have a color. To select the color, brand, we have information here. Okay, I have to fix the gallery. Okay, we have option here. Then for the countdown timer, if I go back, some of the product, but you have to set first the product sale, if the product has sale. Okay, let me, yeah, here it is the sale. Let me check if the product has sale. Then only they will able to see the countdown timer. You have to select the sale first in the product. Okay, okay, after card to button, show product meta. This one, this is the product meta. Category toys, share, they will able to share the product. You can disable or enable. You can set follow button instead of share. Here, follow us. Okay, and save changes. Let's go to reviews. If you wanna enable reviews on the product, downside, that will enable this review section. Description, review, about brand, shipping, delivery. Review, you wanna keep it enable, it's enable here. After reviews, style 1, you can choose style 2. Pros and cons, you can also enable pros and cons for the product. What are the pro and cons for the product? Likes, how many like this product have. You can enable all the option if you want. Verified owner, this is yeah, like that. They will see if the person is verified with your website. If they leave the review, they will see small badge. You can enable sorting for the reviews, like that. They can check new reviews, old reviews. Review image, if you allow them to provide image, they will have option to provide image in the reviews. Then you can enable this review image option. How much upload size? 1 MB or up to 2 MB or 3 MB, that's okay. Are image required? You can make required image, but I will not recommend this one. Rating summary, you can hover the mouse, you can check what is this option for. That will make easy for you. Criteria, okay, all these options related to reviews, and save changes. Let's go to next tabs. Okay, all these are tabs: description, review, about brand, shipping, delivery. 4 tabs we have. Under the product, you can even display what tabs you want. Number 2 tab, number 3 tab. Okay, shipping and delivery. Next, number 2 tab is empty. You can display some other options, features here in additional tabs. Okay, as you can see in the first tab 1, shipping and delivery, this is auto design. You wanna change shipping and delivery, this image or information about delivery, you just have to click on edit this block with page builder. If I click on this, and you will see the same stuff here, shipping and delivery. Just to change according your business, how many delivery days, how many what delivery you provide. Change all these options here. You want to change image, click on, right click, image, edit image gallery. Okay, 2 image selected. Here in the description, right click, edit text block, and change here in the box left side. Okay, this is easy guys. Every option you go through, If you see HTML block, you will see under edit this HTML block, so right away you can edit that one, right? Let's go to related and upsell. Show related product. Scroll down. Let me scroll down. They will see related product downside if you wanna enable this option. Okay, how many product you wanna display downside? 3 or 4, you can select. Let me enable this option. Standard sidebar hide. Product count, how many product you wanna display in the upsell. Okay, it will look like this. Related product section. Visitor counters, which is very nice option. Show the number of visitor. Okay, for example, on this product, something banner will be here. 12 visitor we are watching this product to improve your sales. That will help, and that will look like, if I'm visitor, I'm a customer, I will see, wow, 20 people, 30 people already visiting this page, so I think this is a highly recommendable product, so definitely I will think about to purchase this right way. You can enable this option. I will recommend to enable this one. Number of visitor, you can make it real. That mean it will show real, in the reality, how many people really visiting, 1 or 2 people or 3 people. You can make it random, like 10, between 10 to 20, right? You wanna display always 10 people or 20 between that, and the system will auto show them 20 people, 18 people, 15 people watching this product. Okay, you can enable the live mode as well. Okay, depends on you guys if you wanna enable visitor counter option. Solid counter, let me bring my mouse to the upper here. Yeah, solid counter, actually this is sold counter. How many product already sold? 15 product sold in last 3 hours, you can see in the image. You can enable solid sold, so not solid, sorry for that, sold counter. You can enable sold counter. Same here, real, if you wanna show real how many product already sold, or you can set random as well. Hide for out of stock product, I will recommend to hide this one. If the product already out of stock, we not need to show this one. Time period, minutes, you can show minutes, or hours, like 3 hours before or 3 minutes before. Okay, you can enable this one. Let's go to next option, my account. In the registration we have if we click, let me open. If you're not login, someone not login, they have option here, register or login. They can click on register and they will see this message. Register for this site allow you to access your order status, which I think if you don't want, change this, or you can also change this upon registration. This will give information. Let me open my website into new tab. So I will show you live. Okay, now we have a 2 button here, login and register. If I click on those, if I click on create an account, okay, it's not working now. Okay, but we can make it setting after we done our WooCommerce setting. Okay, this will be enabled, but you can change the text if you enable login page tabs. Let me show you example of this here. If they click on login page, they will see right side the text registering this site allow you the information about registration and login, right? Dashboard icon menu. Okay, if you wanna, let me open my account, click on dashboard. Okay, right now it's not working. Okay, let me do some basic WooCommerce setting, because we really have to done the setting for the WooCommerce. Okay, then it will be enabled. Dashboard icon, let me explain you here. Dashboard icon menu, if you wanna show your main menu like dashboard, they will see like orders, downloads, address in the icon, shape of icon, which I will recommend keep it enabled. This will really look very nice. Okay, this will really help you to create stunning dashboard for your customers. Let's go to social profiles. Sticky social links. Okay, if any product, you click on any product, and here right side they will see sticky share button, but we already have here in the product. But if you still wanna display sticky social icon, they will see something like that. Okay, here in the product, even in the home page, they will see this share button. So I don't think so we need to enable this one, but if you wanna show in the home page, you can enable this option. Okay, link to social profiles, which is very important option. Share or like or follow, you have to provide your all social media links. If any service you not use, just to delete that hashtag inside it. That icon will not show. Only icon start showing when there is any digit. For example, hash is like example. They just put hashtag just to enable this icon. If you not have YouTube example, you can delete the hashtag. Only Facebook, Instagram, those will be start showing here. Okay, not YouTube. This is how this works. Share button, like share in Facebook here, share in Facebook. Okay, share in X, you wanna share it on WhatsApp. Enable or disable this option. This is very easy, enable or disable. Let's go to next, API integration. API integration, if you wanna disable, if you wanna display your Instagram account, like this option will allow. For example, you wanna display in down the home page about your Instagram profile somewhere. Okay, example here somewhere. Then you have to provide Instagram API key. You can click here, documentation here. It will give you more detail. Okay, same here in Google Map API key. If you enable this option, for example, sometimes in the contact us page we have a map, right? Right now it's not working because you have to provide Google Map API key. Then you have to click here, obtain API key. You will see small here button, clickable. Click on that. Okay, when you click on that, this will be open. Use how to use API key, Google API key, how to get it. Okay, same here, social authentication, for example Facebook, Google. Okay, if you want to display your product in the Google, all these options you have. Performance option, which I think are really important to speed up our website. Okay, if you're using Gutenberg, you can use to disable the Gutenberg style. I will not recommend to disable anything that will affect our layout, right? Style always reload, so we will not use any service. We will go to JS, JavaScript, advanced JavaScript control. Okay, this will speed up your website. This option does not affect anything. This will not affect your layout. It's just to show or hide all script configuration. We don't recommend you enable or disable any script if you are not sure how they work. Okay, that means if you don't know how this works, you can keep disable. Okay, example, countdown library in the product page. As I show you earlier, countdown in the product, how many product left, how many, like in the example here. JavaScript will autocomplete the library, which will help you speed up your website. Or if you don't want, you can set never load. Some of the script we don't want to load, like category. This we can make it a delay. Once the page open, we can make it delay, or we can never show, to save the JavaScript load on the website. Okay, but if you don't know, have no idea about JavaScript, you can disable it, but still your website will be good to go with some other options here. Fonts and icons. Font display for the text, I will recommend here swap. Use swap. Font display, again swap. Font library, don't use, because if you use font awesome library, that will, you can force font file library to load it on the old page. Okay, you can don't use, that will speed up your website. If you want to keep the WoodMart font, actually WoodMart font comes with the theme. You can preload key to request. This will preload the Google the WoodMart font. Okay, so important here, swap. We need to swap the text font. Next we have lazy loading, which is important. This will really help. Lazy loading, you have to enable this one for the image. If I open this page, if I keep scroll, some of the image already open, but if we enable lazy load, that will reload the images in the lazy mode. When they only scroll, they will only open those images. That will speed up our website. Okay, next we have a appearance effect. This is related to lazy loading. Until our image going to load on the downside, example, I scroll down until they will see blur image. Okay, once they already successful scroll down, they will see, after some second, they will see nice image. You can make it blur or fade. That will be faded or blur, like that. That will little blur until they scroll. Generate reviews, you can enable these options, or you can upload custom placeholder image. For example, if the image not showing, sometime they see the broken image review, right? You can set any image. The image only show until the page fully loaded. They will not see this image. Instead of this image, they will see other review image, or only the gray color box. You can set colors as well. Okay, save changes. Okay, so then we have a plugin in the performance. In plugin WP Rocker delay JS exclusion, add a list of JS file that do not need to delay. You can exclude those one. This option actually, you can delay JavaScript extension which you think you need to exclusion. You can provide the list here. Okay, load contact 7 JS file. You have to enable all these. Keep enable all these. Preloader, actually preloader is enable preloader is, it's an animation while loading your website. For example, if I click any page here, blog page or shop page, you will see one loading animation while switching to other page. then you can enable this one, preloader. How preloader will work? As you can see, this is preloader. Preloader will work when you bring your mouse to anywhere. This will start preloading. This will speed up your website. You can enable this one. Let's click on other. Mobile DOM optimization. This is the option for the mobile unit to reduce the DOM size. Okay, this will really help you. You can enable this one. Load text domain, enable it. Okay, all the options are pretty good for the performance, because some people they use WP Rocket to improve the performance, but in WoodMart you will get pre-set performance options, which is very similar to other speed up performance plugins. So this will really helpful for you. Next we have maintenance. If you're working on your website and you want to enable maintenance mode, you can enable your maintenance mode, so no one will be visit until you complete your website progress or website customization. So no one will visit on your website. You can enable this one. Later on, once your website is ready to live, you can disable this option. White label. In the white label, you can enable white label. This will hide WoodMart or WoodMart or Xmos attributions, so you will not see any WoodMart logo or a related name on your website. For example, here this will hide all the white label. This will really nice option. You can also replace the theme name. If you want to provide your own theme name, you can provide as well. This will give you option. Pre-built website page. Show pre-built website page in dashboard. Okay, these options are already enabled. Dashboard sidebar admin bar logo. You can provide different types of logo for white labeling. Okay, you can create welcome page for your website. This is actually heading, will display in the WoodMart welcome page here. This one, WoodMart welcome. The first option, WoodMart. This is only for the white labeling. To remove the actual WoodMart name to your own company name. Custom CSS. Custom CSS, if you required to provide any external CSS you required on your website or functionality, this option provide you custom CSS and custom JavaScript. It has option to provide those codes in the setting. Let's click on other setting. Other setting, Elementor section navigation margin. You can enable this one. Add a negative margin on each Elementor section to align the content. This will really helpful for you. If you're using Elementor, you can enable this one. If you want sticky notification anywhere on your website, you can add sticky navigation. You can create your own custom 404 page. If I visit my website, let's check out if 404 page is working. Yes, not found, but yeah, this is a 404 page. If you wanna replace this 404 page, you can provide, you have to select here your page. You just build 404 page. You have to only select that page. Enable custom slider. So this is only for the sliders. If you want to provide custom sliders. Slider Revolution theme font. If you're using Slider Revolution, then you can use this option. This is actually for the scalable. We will make it scalable. Okay. Next we have import, export, and reset. If you feel you got some wrong setting or your website has some issue, you can reset all the settings anytime. But I always recommend, before you reset your theme, make sure you export option, use the export option to export all your settings related to your theme. This will download JSON file, and in future if you move your uh, WordPress or hosting to other provider, you just have to import this JSON file to import all the settings you have set here. Okay, this will helpful for you. Okay, next let's go to check our important pages in the WooCommerce. We will go to WooCommerce and setting. Okay, this is our WooCommerce setting. First you have to provide your address, select your country, selling location where you selling your product. If you sell to all country, choose all country. Shipping location, you ship to all country, then choose all country. If you ship your product to specific country only in Pakistan, India or anywhere, then you have to choose that country. Default customer location. Okay, if you want to set default customer location, customer country and region, shop country and region. So for example, if I set USA, then it will be set to US shop country location when they log in or check out on our website. You can change this one to geolocate. This will auto detect the visitor or customer country. This option enable tax. If you have tax, you can enable taxes, or coupon you can enable or disable. Downside, we have a currency. You have to choose your own currency. After that, save changes. Important here, let me check account and privacy. Let me check some pages we required. Let's go to advanced. This is the more important. That's why account page, checkout page was not working. You have to select your cart page, checkout page, my account page, which is very important. Search for CART if cart page already there. If not, then I would recommend to create each page one by one. Let me go to pages, add new page. I will open it into new tab. Okay, first let's create cart page. I will name it cart and just publish right away. We will click add new page right away, and next we will create account page. Account, we will name it account page. Account, publish right away. Okay, so all these, both two, cart page, account page, checkout page, we need one more checkout page. I will name it checkout. Now my next step, I already create all the pages. Next step to refresh here. I refresh here in the WooCommerce setting, refresh. Okay, now I just create page. Now I will able to find those when I start typing CAR, and you will see cart page will be there. Here it is. We just create those. We have to only select those pages. CHE checkout, and it will auto pop up checkout. Account ACC, it will auto find the page we just create, account. Okay, these three pages are very important. Term and condition you can create later on. Then you have to nothing to do here. Let's save changes. Now if I go to my website, cart page, anywhere, it will work now because we have set our pages. If I click on account dashboard, it should work. As you can see, it's working. Account, we will set up all these things inside it. If I go to cart page, view cart, it will show cart as well. As you can see, shopping cart, checkout. Or if you want to customize the checkout or cart page, you can watch my other video. I make a complete separate video for checkout, custom checkout and other pages. Okay, so make sure you check those pages. It may take some time to refresh the pages. You just have to save changes. Until that time, go to products. We have to make sure you have choose shop here, and we don't need to click any other settings. You can check review setting if you wanna enable product review. If not, you can disable this right away here. If you wanna disable product reviews on your website, then save changes. Next is shipping, which is very important. Click on shipping. You have to create add zone. Click add zone and provide the zone like America, Europe, Asia, and then under the zone select you are selling product to Asia, Europe. Then you have to select all those zones, right? Then under the shipping, add shipping method. If you charge them a flat rate, right, $2, $5, then you have to go with otherwise free shipping or local pickup if we have local shop. If you are creating this website for the local business, you can go with click flat rate, click continue. Then you have to how much cost you charge for the shipping. Is it taxable? You can provide information. You also can add shipping class cost. Click on that. It will give you option to add shipping classes like for the physical product, for digital product, liquid product, some other classes. Go to shipping setting, do some basic setting. Enable the shipping calculation at cart page, enable this one, or you wanna hide the shipping cost until address is entered. If I go to cart page checkout, this will hide the shipping cost until the customer provide their addresses. Okay, shipping destination default to customer billing address, which is already good. Save changes. Okay, site visibility, let's check out this one. Yeah, our site is live now. Okay, now let's go to our home page. Okay, this is our home page, so we will start customizing our home page. Before we set our home page, we will check our main menus. Okay, let's go to appearance and menus. In the appearance and menus, we will check all the navigation. Top navigation, this one. If you want to add more pages like account, cart, we just create those, but you can add some other pages like term conditions, privacy policy. Okay, one more thing, if you want to create privacy policy, if not yet available, you can go to setting, click on privacy. If you see there is no privacy page, you can see select not, it will auto create page for you. Click create a new privacy policy page. Just click on create, it will auto create page for you according your business or e-commerce. This is really nice option. Okay, then you have to come back to the top bar here, top navigation, find the privacy policy page. Just click, choose that one, click add to menu. That will be added here and display will be upper side. Okay, let's select other menus. Let's go with let me go with secondary main menu. Okay, let me choose main menu, select and check what main menu we have. Yeah, we have let me select, let me check which menu we have here. I think this should be menu left. Let me check. Main menu left, home, shop, blog. Okay, let me try check which page we have that there. Top secondary menu. Let me check secondary menu. So we will check our category which menu is located, or make sure we will check our location if all the location are provided here. As you can see, we have a missing location. Manage the location main menu, select main menu here, mobile side menu, select mobile side menu. If you see, if not, you can choose any mobile menu, mobile navigation, save changes. So this will be, if I refresh my website, now you will see we have here home, order, download, account detail. We don't want this one. Okay, so what we will do, we will go back to the edit menu option, and now we will choose main menu. Under the main menu, as you can see, we have some other pages: home, order, download, detail. We don't want this one. We wanna display categories here. Okay, because in under my account we already have those pages: orders, download, account detail. We already have all this area. We will display categories. So I will bulk action delete all those, remove selected, and I will go down to product categories. Here it is: furniture, toy, clock, cooking, accessories. Okay, before you do changes, let me save changes. Now I will show you our main menu. Items will be there: furniture, toys, clock, cooking, accessory, everything is here. We will also display here. Actually this is a, if you click here, this is a HTML block. I think we will check this one. How to check this is a block? We will check in edit with Elementor. Okay, now first, before we start customizing or managing our menu section, make sure you go to product categories. This is the first step. First you create your business categories. So later on, when we create our main menu, so we will able to select right categories for our business, because all these categories comes with the demo content, right? So we need to remove all those. Okay, but if you want to watch in detail about main mega menu or main menu with HTML WoodMart, I will check out my playlist. You will find one video there, mega menu, WoodMart mega menu. You will understand everything step by step, how to set up mega menu with HTML blocks. Everything is included in that video. Okay, so delete all those, or start providing your own categories. Delete, apply. Okay, now name your category: watches, and in the slug same name, watches. Parent category keep known because this is a main category. Description, display type, okay, this is the product, okay, or keep it default. Provide the thumbnail, okay, provide the header menu, category, navigation, image, or you can skip all these for now. Click add to category. Let me refresh. Okay, we have a lot of category comes with the demo content. You need to delete all those. First provide the category, your own category, then go to sizes, size guide, provide your own sizes. If your product has size, then you can follow this option. you have attributes. If your product has attributes like color, model, year, or only brand, other you can delete all those if you don't require it. Okay, then we have option to set up payments. Okay, after the category you can go to WooCommerce and setting. In the setting you will see option payments. Click on payments and you can enable which payment you want. If you are looking for more payment like PayPal, Stripe, then we will go to plugins, add new plugin, and we will search here payment in the plugin. And then you will see, scroll down, you will also see WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway, payment plugin for Stripe WooCommerce. You can use this one, payment plugin for Stripe WooCommerce. This is nice rating. And you will also see PayPal, WooCommerce PayPal payments. You will find all the plugin related to payments like except Meralco, and depends on your country, it will auto suggest you. Okay, just you have to activate the plugins and do some basic setting in the plugin. Okay, if you want me to create a separate video on Stripe how to set up, you can let me know in comments. I will definitely make a video as soon as possible. Okay, let's go to home page. Okay, we will start customizing our home page. Under the home page, if I bring my mouse to the main banner here, if I click here, and you will see here, this is a actually slider, base slider. Okay, how to customize this slider? We not have any option to customize here in the front page. Okay, so we will go to slides, all item. Okay, check out which is the slider. This is the base slider selected here. So we have to find base slider. We will go to sliders, and here it is, base slider. Okay, under the base slider we have bestseller, we have a base slider. Okay, under the base slider, as you can see in this slider, we have three different slider inside it. Okay, so we will go to slides and click on sliders. Under the slider you have to check first which slider is it. You have to right click with the mouse, edit slider. You will see in the general the name of the slider is selected here, base slider. Then base slider, click on very front under the count 3, click on that. That will show you which slider is displayed here. 3 slider, 1 2 3, 3 slider in the main section. So start customizing one by one. Let's go base slide 1, added with Elementor. Okay, so we will go through one by one each slider. Okay, so this is the slider. So now we wanna change that title or text here. Just click this small pencil icon, add it, and you will see here left side subtitle, title option to change the text. Okay, simple. Okay, let me enter here sale, and downside under the text we have nothing, and downside rock chair we have to again click on that pencil icon. Under the title change that text again, depends on you which you want, what type of. Here image, we want to change this image. I'd click with the mouse, edit image gallery, and it will give you 4 images selected here. That's not important. You display 4 images. You can display only single image. That's okay. Select cancel all those. Click add to gallery and select you wanna display any picture there. Let me select this picture, add to gallery, insert gallery, and that picture will show here. Depends on you which type of item you wanna first display in the sliders. Okay, if you make it if that's possible, you can make transparent background which looks very nice. Okay, downside, this is the description. Right click, edit text block, and start change description as well. And then price, you can change the price as well. These are only sliders. Okay, you can change right away and click publish right away. Okay, let me refresh my front page to check. You can see we have a new slider here. Okay, because we changed this one. Next we have 2 more. Keep change one by one all those. Okay, let's go to next featured category. Let me click edit with Elementor again. Okay, scroll down to featured category. Okay, so we have here, we will customize this area, WoodMart collection featured category. Right click, edit section title. Under the subtitle, change your, you can provide your website name like Mart collections, Z Mart, L Mart, F Mart. Okay, provide, you can change, or you wanna provide your own letters. Start typing. Under featured category, it will be under title. Okay, you can provide here like trending products. It will be changed right way there on the front page. Downside, we have a WoodMart is more powerful e-commerce. Okay, scroll down little bit, you will also find the text description. Change this one. Okay, then we have a not showing here. Actually these are product. Okay, select the product or right click, edit product category. Under the edit product category, if you wanna keep the grid, like if I show you the front page, yeah, these all are under grid, right, boxes. Then you have to go with grid, and how many grid you wanna display here. For 5 category, you can choose the number of grids. Downside, you have option for the category, which category you wanna display on the front page. Under trending product, you will see option category. Click within there and start typing first 2 letter of your category like watches, WA. Okay, downside, you will see watches fashion, watches product. Just select that one. Now we have selected 3, so all those will start displaying here. Okay, you can hide empty, keep it enabled, so there it will not show empty categories. Then you have option for the style. If you wanna change the style of the categories, you can change image size. You want a large, you want a medium one, these images, category images. That's why I recommend when you create your category, provide those images. Those will be displayed here. Yeah, this one here. Then we have a rounding. You can select in it. It's already selected. Under the layout, you can choose the layout. You want a grid, you want a monthly, you want a, okay, you can change the grid. Let me show you that with the change under the layout monthly. Let me save changes. Let me show you if how it look like under the trending product. Let me open my home page. Okay, scroll down. As you can see, this is a monthly style. of categories, because we only select 2. If you select 4 or 5, all the category will be displayed here. So under fashion, home and garden, we not have image. We will provide all their category images. Let me provide first images. I will go to products, categories. I will find first category fashion. I will add it fashion category. Here it is. Click edit. Okay, this is very same process. You creating the category. Example you're creating now. Scroll down to the image for the category page title or thumbnail. Provide the image related to fashion. Let me pick any image, for example. Okay, make sure you provide all the image for the category page title, for category navigation, image for the header menu. Okay, click update. Let me refresh home page. Okay, as you can see, we have a nice beautiful category image. You can make the boxes, you can change the layout of this category. That's why we choose Mansory to just show you. If I choose here, this option will be under style, layout. Then you have to choose Mansory with first wide or carousel. You can choose also carousel, and you will see downside another option, carousel. Slide per view, 3 slide. For example, 3 category will be show. You can make other setting like slide loop, slider auto height. It will auto adjust the height. Let me save changes, publish, and let me refresh my front page. How it look like. So this will be like a slider now. It may take some time. You just have to choose the style, what style in the layout you want. You can go with grid 1, 4, or you can choose 5. Okay, publish, refresh. Okay, it will take some time until we will go to next step. So later on we will refresh and check. I will again explain how to change the style of the categories. Instead of a trending product, trending categories. You can, sorry for that, provide trending categories. Okay, let me refresh again. It should work. Not now. Design, zoom out. You can choose try zoom out. Image size, I will recommend keep image size medium. Okay, medium will look very nice. Okay, if I refresh, publish change. Okay, let me check. Okay, it will take time, but you have to, the process is very same to change the style of the category. Okay, this will be under here. Right click, edit product category, under content, under style, to choose the style for the categories. You even can change the typography, that the fonts for the category section. This one you can choose this, the font. You can change this font. Let's go to down. Okay, so this is the feature product. Okay, again click, right click, edit section title, and start changing all those again. Downside, we have a bestseller, feature, sales. I think this will be Yeah, here we have to right click, edit Ajax product tabs, and then we have to go to tabs. We have three tabs: bestseller, featured, sale. This one you can make more with click add item, and you will see it will be added here, or you can delete if you want to keep 2 or 3. Let's go to bestseller first. Click on the bestseller and it will open downside. Under the bestseller, which product you want to display? You want to display all product, only featured, or bestseller. Choose bestseller here from data source. Bestseller, we will choose bestseller from the data source, and you will see this will display hot product, bestseller product. Okay, then go to featured data source. We will choose featured as well, featured product. Okay, now if I click featured, other products, we have other product. Under bestseller we have different product. Sales, you can choose bestseller or sale product. Here it is, sale product. All these are sale product. Okay, first you have to make sure, for example, data source, we have a sale product, we have a feature product. Let me show you with creating a product. Click add new. We are creating now product. Okay, so it will make easy for you to understand. Let me show you where is the option. Layout, sidebar, tabs. Okay, here it is. Get more option, featuring advanced. Okay, if you want a sale product, you have to visit here, general, provide the regular price. Example, regular price will be 99, but the sale price is 88. I have to start schedule. Once you save this product, this will be start displaying under the sales, because data source we choose sales product. Okay, let me show you again. Tab. Okay, or you have option downside, you can make list of IDs, then you have to provide the product ID you wanna display manually. Okay, choose list of IDs, include the ID. How to find IDs? Let me go to products, all products. Under all product, you will see here, under each product we have a ID 411. Example 411. Downside we have 395, 385. Example, you wanna adjust manually product, right? You wanna display in this section some manual product, then you have to go with list of ID. The first one was 411. Let me enter in the include only 411. I will enter 411 and it will search product. If not see, you don't need to worry, just enter comma and start typing other product. 395. Check each ID. Okay, sorry, select all product in the data source. Under you will see order by. Here you have to select ID. Okay, then you have to provide all the IDs. Okay, you can check this option, or you can go with random order. It will start displaying random products. You can go with the menu order or date if new product you want to display. Okay, but for the list of ID, it should work here. You have to select list of ID. Okay, if it's not showing here, you don't need to worry, because sometime it may take some time. Okay, let me here. Okay, just you have to provide the IDs of each. Add product by title. Okay, you can start entering the title. Example, when you select list of ID, and in the include only check the product. If ID is not working, okay, then you can start typing the product name. Example, you can copy this product name, go back. Okay, product, provide the product name. It will search automatically. Here it is. Select that one. Again, start typing the product name. This will be under featured showing, because we are going to customize the feature section. So this product is already here, this one. Same, next we will copy the title, go back and place with the mouse enter, and it will again pick the product. Select the product, or start type first three letter of your product title. Okay, that way you can add your own product you wanna display. Okay, so if you wanna display the sales on the number first, just drag it to the upper side, drag the boxes, sale product will be display first. Okay, you can drag it left side. Okay, so after that we have all these products, 1 2 3 4 8 products in this layout. How to change this layout? Actually, we also can change this layout. How many product we wanna display in one line? If I off my panel, as you can see, this is slidable. Okay, how to change this one? We will right click, edit Ajax product tab. After that we will go to style section here in left side. In the style section we will go to down product layout, and this layout is a grid, and we have selected 4 column 1 2 3 4. If we increase to 5, we have 5 products. I think this looks good if we have 5 products. You also can change grid to carousel. Okay, you have a carousel like that. You can make it also how many items per page. Okay, and you have an option for the list. I think list not good option. I think we will go with grid and 5 product each. Okay, if you wanna enable Monterey grid, you can enable this option. Okay, product grid with different sizes, we will keep it inert. Space between, we will not change anything. Items per page, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 item per page. As in one row we have 5 product, we will make it 10. So we have 2 equal rows, 5 each product. Pagination, you can set to load more button, downside load more. When they click they will see more product, or you can set to arrows arrows this way, slidable. Okay, or you have option for the infinite scrolling. Keep scroll, it will keep show the product. I will recommend here choose the default one. Okay, you can choose here arrows. Okay, and product design. In product design you can choose image size of each product. It's already selected large. You can go with medium if you want. You can keep large. If you wanna enable sale countdown on these product on the home page, you can enable sale countdown. Sale countdown only applicable if you have activated sales on each product. Okay, then we have a product background. If you want to add product background, like if I choose custom background like that, you can change the background of your product. You can enable product shadow. You can disable product background if you want to keep default layout. Okay, then we have extra option, lazy loading for images. I will recommend to enable this one. This will speed up your website. We have a option extra. Under extra we have lazy loading for image. Click publish. Now we have done this area. Let's scroll down. We have this chair. Actually this is again slider, same with this one. This was also slider, but this was base slider. I think this is a best seller slider. Okay, let's go back to our WordPress, to sliders. Click on sliders and we have bestseller here, slider. Click on 3. Okay, click on edit with Elementor, and this is the same area where you will able to change anything in your banner. You can change the image. As you can see, this image is comes with no background, meaning transparent background, which looks very nice. If you have any product, you can make them transparent. You can search Google transparent image, so you can make your image transparent to display in the banners. You can change all these things by right click, edit section title, and keep change. Designer, material, client, you can change. If you want to delete anything, any row here, for example you want to delete this client, okay, or you want to delete all the rows, then you have to right click on the gray button here, the gray one, edit container, right click, delete. This row will be deleted. Okay, designer, material, client. If you want to edit these things, right click, edit information box. This is information box 3. Okay, go to content and start customizing it. Same here to the price. You can change add to cart button. Add to cart button, you have to provide add to cart link here. Okay, how to get the link? Go back to the pages, find the page, cart page. Yeah, here it is. Right click on view, copy link address. Now we copy the link address. We will paste that link here. You can delete the domain name and just keep /cart/. When they click, they will go to cart section. Okay, so this way you can change your banner. If you not like this banner, if you wanna add some more nice banners, you have an option. You can go back, Okay, you can click here add slider. You don't like these three slider, you can delete this one. Then you have to click add new slider. Okay, name of the slider, anything, add it with Elementor right away. When you add it with Elementor, here you have option WooCommerce templates, where you can import pre-built banners. Select banners, and you have a bunch of options for the banners. You like any, just click insert. This will be inserted. This way you can make new banners and display them on the home page here. For example, I wanna save this one. Just before you save this one, keep edit every box. Right click, edit promo banner, and click on content. Keep editing. Okay, and save changes. Okay, let me go back. Now let me go to sliders again. Best seller slider 3. Click on that. Okay, now you will have, let me refresh my front page. Let me check if we have banner. Yeah, we have all the old banners. So what we have to do, we have to go to add new section. Okay, or sliders. In the sliders I will create a new slider. I will name it my slider. The slug should be very same. My slider, add new slider. Now we have my slider. I wanna make banner inside my slider. I will click add new. When you click on add new, I have to make the name of this slider slider 1. Okay, in the options I have to select my slider in the slider option and publish. First publish it. Okay, and then add it with Elementor. Now this is the time to put our banner here, or you can design your own banner here. Let me click on WooCommerce templates. In WooCommerce templates we have a lot of choices we can choose from. Okay, let me choose banners. Okay, this time let me import this banner and publish right away. Okay, after the make changes to every image, every box. Okay, making changes is very easy guys, or you can follow this pencil icon. Okay, click on that and follow all these options. Background, you can change background image. Content downside, you can change content if you want. Okay, now publish. I will publish right away. So I will go back to my front page. I will add it with Elementor my front page again. So this time what we will do, we will scroll down to that banner. Okay, I will click on, right click, edit slider. This time in the slider option I will choose my slider we just create. As you can see, we have a new slider now, which looks very nice. Okay, this way you can change your any slider you want. Even in the upper section or down section, you can change your banners anywhere. Just you have to edit all these things while you are importing the template. Click publish right away. This will be saved. Same downside here, but the downside we have a separate all these things. We have a title, description, these are separate. No, this is not a slider, this is the image. We have to right click, edit container. You can look for image in the style. Okay, this background image, this is actually background image. Then you can change one by one the title. Double click, You can double click or right click, edit section title. You have a two option, and left side you will see subtitle, title to change it. Okay, making changes is very easy. Same here in the description. Okay, so after that we have a blog section, latest blog on this is on our home page. If you wanna edit the section, so we are going to right click with the mouse, edit section title again. In the subtitle, as you can see, we have a furniture guide. The upper side we have to edit this one. You can provide your own title. Downside title, our latest news. You can change this to, if you have an e-commerce website, our latest blog or articles or sales, you can start providing the blog. Here I want to give you one tip here for e-commerce. You can create a sales page, like if your any product has sales ongoing, you can create complete blog for that. That will help you in SEO as well, or in ranking. Okay, then downside we have a latest trend and inspiration. This is the description under the text. You can change that one. Now we will change these three sections for the blog. We will click this small edit blog section. As you can see, in data source we have post, because we are going to work on the post. If you wanna scroll down here, order by, you can select a random, by date, by author. You can select for those only those blog will be display. If you select author, you can select which author you wanna display, or random order, that will show random post here. Okay, then we have a style option. In the style, this is carousel. You can change to default one, so that will look like something this, but I will Monterey grid. Okay, you can go with Monterey, or you can go with carousel as pre-selected. In the carousel you have a small images, mask on images, like that option, which looks very good. Mask on image, mask a meta on image, which looks very nice. You can select the setting as you want. In the image, if you want a full high definition image display, then select full here. Otherwise you can go with thumbnail. Okay, but if high resolution, I always recommend in the image size select full. Okay, then we have a carousel setting. In the carousel setting, how many posts do you want to display in the front? We have selected 3. You can increase to 4, like that. Now you have 4 post section in the front page. You can go with 3 as default one if you want. You have a scroll per page, slider, loop, auto height. If your blog is smaller, then it will adjust the auto height. Because sometimes we have a small description here, that will auto adjust the height. We have a disable overflow. If you have an overflow, this will disable that. Arrows, like pagination, like to roll the next blog section in carousel. Okay, you can go with the dynamic pagination control, but I think we don't need it. We have the hide pagination control. Okay, element visibility. In element visibility, in this box, what you wanna display? You wanna display the title for post, meta information, the meta. This is the meta. We have date, furniture, category. You can disable which information you don't want to show, like that. We have only date. You can post the text, the description. If you want to hide the description, you can hide. Now it look very smaller and nice. Read more button, you can also disable read more button. If you don't want, you can keep enable these things in elements visibility. Let's go to extra. Lazy loading for images, again this will help you in the speed up website. Keep lazy loading enable. Okay, keep publish right away. So this is our blog section. Then we have a brands. If you require brands to display, then you can edit the brands. How many? Then you have to right click edit brands. How many brands you want to display? Eight brands. Okay, hide empty, you can hide empty. You have a lot option for the brands. In the style, you can adjust the layout of brands, how you want to display them. You want to display them a list or a grid, that will show grid or carousel. You can adjust the space between, okay, and padding, alignment. With background, you can enable with background. In the background, you can select the dark one like that. Okay, like that. Background color you can choose, and the carousel. Okay, you can adjust as you want. For the brand edit, let me go to my WordPress. Let me go back my WordPress. Yeah, here. Let me look where is the brand option. I think that should be WooCommerce, payment, analytic. It should be product. It should be under product somewhere. Reviews, tags, categories. I think we have to visit. Let me check. I think we have to visit the WooCommerce setting. In the setting, after the setting, we have to check for products. Okay, then scroll down, click inventory, advanced. You will find somewhere here brand options. Okay, let me check by adding product. This is a simple way you can click all products to check where is the brand option. I think brand option, when you add the product, you will see their brand option. Let me edit any product. So I will give you information how you can adjust the brands. Scroll down. Okay. Inventory, shipping, attributes. Yeah, here it is. It's in attributes. Yeah, I found it. So you have to go to products under the WooCommerce product, then click on attributes. When you click on attributes, you have a different attributes. We have also brand attribute there, and we have a lot of brands display. Okay, then you have to click a small button here, configure items. Then you will able to configure and add new brands or delete all those old one. Okay, then all the brands will be displayed on your front page. When you already, make sure you provide their logo as well in the review, in the image. Example, you want to add new brand name, slug, keep same slug. Downside, in the here image swatch, provide the image swatch for the brand. Okay, this is very easy, guys. Okay, then let's go to down section, pre-build layout. I think we don't need it. We can delete this one by delete button. Okay, this is our home page is ready. Okay, one more thing here, guys. You wanna add some more stuff on the home page. You have an option here, Extmos template. If you want to add something on the home page you like, you love, then I will recommend to click all, select all, and check which thing you want to add more on the home page. Like you want to add something sale, something like a bigger image of the product, then we have a downside mega electronic product description, we have this section banner, we have order tracking. Okay, you can provide order tracking on the home page. Keep scroll down, we have this tab section, mega market showcase. Let me insert this one. So this will give you idea. You can pick some other stuff you want to display on the home page like that. Looks very nice. If they keep click, they will see next product. You can add this section somewhere on your website downside, or you can make it high selling product. Just you have to change the right click, edit Ajax product tab, and then type change these things. Okay, in the tab section you can select which tab you wanna display here. Okay, if a furniture example, then you have to go down to the data source or category, search for category, which category you wanna display there. For example, furniture FUR, that's all. It will be there. Just to select that one, then it will be added to the section. If you want to delete any section, just click this delete button, delete section. You can try some other banners. Okay, you want to add something beautiful like fast shipping, secure payments. That's like small banner. Let me show you here somewhere. It will be there. That I personally like it. You can add customer reviews. Here it is, testimonial. We have downside, we have more stuff. Keep check what you have. Here it is, this one, number images for boxes. Okay, let me insert this one. You can use this one as a display here, fast shipping, something. Then you have to change the upper icon. Okay, fast shipping, secure payment, something like that. Then you have to click copy, go upper somewhere you want to display. Example, you want to display under this banner in the very starting or after the product. Then you have to click add container where you want to display, add container, and then you will see this box. Between the box, right click and paste we just copy. As you can see, this will be display under the products. Okay, which looks very nice. You can display here for shipping. Okay, these all are the tips for e-commerce website. Okay, then you can downside delete that one, keep this one. Okay, if you wanna keep some other stuff downside here, again click this plus icon, add container, select extremmost template, then check what else you wanna drop there. Okay, I hope you understand what I mean here, to add extra template on our home page. Okay, let me check. Keep scroll down and you will find very beautiful templates according your business. We have also other niches like business, deals, some other like here we have restaurant templates, repair. Okay, I really love this one, banner grid no space. Let me insert this one, banner grid with no space. This will be added here, just to wait for it. Okay, this added to the downside. We can bring it, copy, and same process. You can change all these things. I would recommend keep it up or somewhere. Copy. I wanna keep this under very here, fast shipping, payments. We will make it later on. Right click, paste. I will make it here. So let's check out our home page, how it look like. Yeah, very nice. You can change these things. Every box you want to change, right click, edit promo banner, and left side you will see edit options, background, content. Okay, these all are editable. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know in comments if you want me to create another video on specific topic, or if you want me to create this beautiful website for your business. You can hire us, you can email us, link in description, email we provide in description. If you want to get more information about this video or collaboration, you can email me on same email. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. In next video we will bring another complete tutorial about WoodMart, but we already have a lot of video about WoodMart. You can check out our WoodMart playlist. Okay, thank you so much for your time, for your important time. I really appreciate that.